The internet has become our lifeline, whether in the office or working from home. When you lose your internet connection, it feels like a rug's been pulled out from under you. SimplyBonding keeps your internet connection flowing. Most homes and businesses have a single internet connection. Ideally, everything works great. But what about when it doesn't? Imagine that your internet connection is the soda moving through this straw. As long as everything goes according to plan, you can keep sipping away, quenching your thirst. But what if the can goes empty or gets accidentally knocked down? If your internet connection dries up, can you afford to lose your access during that vital meeting, phone call, or video conference? When your internet connection stops, everything stops working, including you. You have to wait for your internet provider to get things back up and running, and that could take minutes, hours, or even days. To solve this problem, a backup plan can be implemented, and that's a good start. Typical backup systems have another internet connection waiting for you right here, with something like a cellular failover router or cellular hotspot MiFi. It's great to have that backup, but it turns out that to use it, your connection is still disrupted. While your service is being switched over to the backup, there's a 30 to 60 second gap while the backup is connected. Sure, you're up and running again, but you still had to interrupt your video conference or phone call. And there's a second interruption when your primary internet is restored. So, what do you do if you can't afford any downtime? SimplyBonding makes sure there's always internet flowing. Now, you're connected to two different internet sources at all times. At first, everything is flowing just fine from the first can, but as soon as there's a disruption, you're instantly switched to the second can. With SimplyBonding, everything just flows. Nobody knows there was even a disruption, and you get to keep drinking your soda. We have different settings to help you when your connection is unreliable or slow. SimplyBonding turns your unreliable connection into something super reliable by filling in dropped packets. We also allow you to increase your bandwidth by pulling from all of your connections. With SimplyBonding, the internet just flows, so you can keep working or sipping.